Anuka. I present a person from Sri Lanka. I represent Monlar, an organization of Campesina. I am speaking on behalf of the IPC, a global platform of small-scale food producers for food sovereignty. Considering what my previous comrade mentioned about the malfunctioning of the multilateral system, we have a specific comment on the draft resolutions. Paragraph 1 should be modified to stress the need of updating the information of the material available in the MLS to including information on the source of material obtained, the procedures with which it has been obtained, whether free prior informed consent was secured, and details of the FPIC if done so. In addition, an official document should be given the farmers or communities from whom PGRFA are collected at the time of the collection, indicating their names, the place and date of the collection, the numbers assigned of the sample in national and international public collections, and guaranteeing that no intellectual property or other right limiting their rights and those of the farmers to save, use, exchange and sell seeds or other reproductive material of that PGRFA. Its part of the genetic components will be guaranteed. Article 9.1 of the treaty recognizes the role of the present and indigenous people in the conservation and development of plant genetic resources which constitute the base of the food and agriculture production throughout the world. However, we are not aware of, about the conditions and manner put in the place to collect the farmers' contribution. Today, indeed, of the protecting farmers' right, some contracting parties are using the treaty as an instrument to violate our right to save, use, exchange and sell our seeds. The lack of responsibility in facing the issue of DIS in the forum is allowing to the duplication of seed into the national gene bank that will be allowed patent on native traits, and there will be overcome the equitable sharing of the benefit arising from the use of PGRFA. In this uncertain condition, we strongly demand the clear decision of the constructing parties that our contribution don't end up contributing the curtailment of our rights, but rather they will represent the realization of our rights, which are inalienable human rights, and also to the greater welfare of the society and Mother Earth. Regarding Part 5 of the draft resolution, we have a concern about the validity of the report of the Secretariat, given that the submission received in the response to the notification, there were only 6 submissions received in total. There were no submissions from the Asian among us contracting parties, no from farmers organizations, no from CSOs among that relevant actors. Therefore, we would like to have possibility to contribute again to those submissions, opening again the call, communicating which every actors and contracting parties that participators at these sections of the governing body. The notification should be sent by emails in all the official language of the treaty, and it should leave enough time to allow proper consultation among different actors. Finally, we would like to reiterate our regard about the behavior of some contracting parties that allows access to the domestic represent of the PGRFA and in the multilateral system without signing the standard material transfer agreement. This is obviously curriculamations of any obligations of the treaty, acting as the road of biopiracy of the entire collection in the multilateral system. And this has be the stop now. Thank you, Chair.